All right, everybody, welcome to the 13th AHI Charities Foundation Golf Tournament. I really want to thank everybody for showing up. We can't do this without everybody's support. The reality is a lot of my friends are here, a lot of my insurance friends are here, a lot of my local friends are here, and really can't do all of this without them. We've had insurance sponsors the whole time we've done this for 13 years, so some of these carriers really step up to the plate and make all this stuff happen.
And last year, I floated a little teaser about a scholarship, and proud to announce that we were able to partner with the L.L.C. Foundation, and we have donated $40,000 over the next 4 years to one deserving student. So y'all give it up, because y'all made that happen, really.
Yeah, boy, let's get it. Woo!
Say anything about that shot, Dennis?
I thought it was good. Western Carolina, got him out, baby.
This year we were proud to donate to the Emerald Coast Boys and Girls Club, the Ritchie Hockey Foundation. Sandcastle Kids has been a big time donor of ours, or a recipient of ours for a long time. They bring kids that are cancer patients that are terminally ill to the beach to have a vacation with the family. So it's something kind of near and dear to us, and it's local. We love that.
Oh no, and they got you on camera. Mulligan. Gotcha. Let's do it. Hey.
All of the money that is raised today goes back into the local community. We've got some great partners, the Eagle Fund. They are an organization that rehabs wounded vets back to the line of duty if that's where they want to go, or back to just everyday life. And they have been a big partner of ours since day one.
Shot, sorry. No, I wanted y'all supposed to stop. Yeah.
Go, Jay.
Oh! Oh, wait.
Welcome to the 13th annual Affordable Home Insurance Charities Foundation after party.
You look so in the city sweet, with your red wine dress swinging down your feet. Have you ever made love to an outlaw man? Brown-eyed angel from Alabama.
Silent auction is going to be open for another probably hour and a half. And 50/50 is $1,100. I'm going to do awards here in a little bit. Y'all give it up for Monarch, because without them this event wouldn't have happened. Every year we need a main sponsor, and they stepped up last year at this after party and said, hey, we want to do this. Monarch, if you can meet me up here at the stage, we got a little something to say thank you for your support. We would love to give you this golf back. You gotta proudly display it in the corporate office.
So Monarch is going to title sponsor next year. So I would challenge all of my carrier peers. We're in for 10 grand. I would love to share that banner with you if you'll all pony up.
Whoa. Mr. Squire, did you hear that? This never happens. And honestly, I'm very grateful.
We're one industry.
That's right. That's right. So, thank you. First place, low gross. Purple Pigeon. Yep. Are you the only one here? Oh. Well, he probably carried the team, so this is fitting. Yes. Wow! Second flight, second place, Emerald Coast Chiropractic. Longest drive, hole number 15, Miss Susan Stanley. You get a free round of golf at Emerald Bet. Bill Kaiser. So we got the 50-50 raffle. It's about $1,100. You do the bag guess. 0284990. Woo! That's a winner. That's a winner. Day one participant in the golf tournament. Emerald Coast Chiropractic. My dear friend, what do you want to do with that? Wow. Wow. Really? She has decided to donate the $1,100 back. Thank you, Whitney. Wow. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting us year after year. And we're going to do it again next year and hopefully just as good and maybe a little bit better. You never know.